good, isn't it?
Boss, millionaire.
Because what should I say? Oh, congratulations, that's for sin. For me, congratulating somebody.
You know what hit me? When everybody is baby ball.
Me and the queen in a day.
Mighty, boy name Mystique, you need name Mosquito.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I have me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Brain Drain J.A. My lunchtime, okay, readers. So, there is an article. There was a study that dropped the other day, and the article talk up all of things about Jamaica.
Something alright, yeah.
Right about now, we have been talking about the teachers leaving the profession and how the people are going to learn and who will replace these teachers. All of that conversation has been going on. We know, sir, recently there was this little speech that was echoed by a deputy mayor, Mr. Richard Vernon, I hope I remember his name correctly, where he said this. Yes, sir. All of them look at something there, talk about the people who left from them country and do not want to contribute to nation building. Well, this study, it definitely confirmed a lot of the feelings and a lot of the sentiments that have been, shared in the island recently. And let me just go read it to you right now. So it says, study ranks Jamaica second highest in human flight and brain drain in the world.
I'm glad I come out, comes to this. Nah, like, I fear it's just going to sit me never there, so I'm just choke myself.
Now it says receiving a final score of 9.1 index points, Jamaica ranked second behind Samoa, which scored a perfect 10 on the list of 177 countries compiled by research site globaleconomy.com. Now, this basically said that this data was put together based on studies are going from 2007 to 2022. So I recent something this, and Jamaica is second place. And the way we know Jamaica, we not like feel for the on the podium and we not get gold. So I know say by the next 2 years, we're going to go for that number one spot. Because
Somebody can't bring me go somewhere. We want to go somewhere nice.
Because there seems to be an uptake of people just like leaving from Jamaican shores in search of other opportunities. And as much as I am Mr. Jamaica and Mr. Nation Builder, I can't really wrong them, because here's it. There is a whole entire thing where there's a culture where them say you must give, you must do right by your country, you must stay here and you must tough it out and all of these things. But when you look on it at the end of the day, what do you really have to show for it? There are persons who work and they give their best and offer their best to Jamaica, and when it's done, them can't even go treat themselves on a little cruise. Them can't even retire in a one decent home. They have to sit down and wait for a little pension where can barely pay them light bill a month time. And I feel as if this generation right now has seen the mistakes that that our parents made, our grandparents made, and we are trying to rectify that by going out. If it means I have to go offshore, for really go and explore these opportunities, so that you can at least be in a state where you are able to be a blessing to your family and to be a blessing to yourself. For right now, you can't really wrong a person for really trying to uplift themselves if they don't feel as if the country is providing enough spaces for them. Burritos, what do you have to say about this matter? Sound off below. Number 9, Marion does dance hall. Me lady sir, Jesus P. Oh wow, I'm not supposed to be saying that her name is Marion Hall. Anyway, so Marion Hall, it looks like she should do a whole revamp, another makeover again, because she is not the Marion Hall that we saw several years ago with the wrap-up head and the mother woman type of energy. I feel as if she is allowing her space, the creative freedom to really just be her authentic self, even while still standing in Christendom. And so I have to support Marion Hall for doing that. Because before, but I wonder, I said, no man, I feel like she was being tied to what she felt Christianity was like, and she wasn't being her true self. So I like to see that she's allowing herself to still be expressive and vibrant in a way that is just innate to her whole entire vibe. So she recently popped up back now. She have a new single, new album in the works and stuff like that, and her lead singer is called Sorry to Hurt Your Feelings. Take a listen.
Sorry to hurt your feelings, but I did not die. Yeah. Sorry to hurt your feelings.
Yeah man, and so this track, it have a different type of vibe, it have a more pop dancehall feel, and I feel like if, you know, she have find her flavor, and the song is really pretty good, and so I don't feel like this song will be played just in church alone. It's for a general audience, and I feel like people can appreciate the message of the song. And she recently sat down with Winford Williams on stage, and yeah, Marion is still very much Marion.
So Sumfest has just crowned
Oh
Spice
Lord.
Queen of
And I
dancehall.
care zero. It's not my business. I'm dealing with different business now.
Yes.
I don't have no say in that area. It's not for me to say anything. I heard about it. I have nothing to say about it.
Yes.
I'm a queen. All of us, we are queens.
Okay.
I chew my pretty than it. You know, see, I'm a pretty man. Me a queen, you're a queen, you're a queen.
Yeah, and she's still talking about Shensia and, you know, and all of that stuff, but I mean, I just like that she feels like, I just like seeing her being more of herself right now. She looks good, she sounds good, and so I'm just hoping the best for Marion Hall. But readers, are you here for Marion Hall's new song, her new style, her new flair? Do you think it is okay, appropriate? Sound off below.
You just can't stop it. That song I'm gonna hit like very soon.
Number 8, Godly Kisses. Make go. Jesus. Okay, my readers, so some time ago I talked about the story of the prophet that visited Jamaica, and he was lifted, you know, them lift him up in the chair, carry him all the way in the church because him foot not supposed to touch the gravel at all. They were treating him like a king. And so many persons online, you know, were criticizing the prophet and, you know, and his ministry and all of that. But he seems as if he has been really just like hitting out against the haters and just minding his business and doing what he believes is right. And so recently he posted this video with him, you know, him getting very lovey-dovey with his wife.
Kiss these lips. Do you want these lips?
Yes.
Take them.
All right, Prophet Reed. Well, you know, I definitely think that that is definitely showing them.
Babe, stop.
Veritas, what do you have to say about the prophet's warm embrace with his wife? Sound off below. Wow. Number 7, Queenie dating mid-pack a card. Alright, my readers, so some time ago I've been talking about Queenie on the social media countdown. I love Queenie, and I feel like Queenie in her heart love me as well. That's why it pained me sometimes when me have to talk about the little drama where she are going with. So some weeks ago she and her husband did fall out, and it looked like if everything is good again, that Dewey is now around Queenie and their marriage is back again in full swing. We are now at season 58, even though them just marry in a short amount of time. You have to keep up with the you just can't help but keep up with Queenie and Dewey. There's never a dull day in a fit married life. Okay, so recently Queenie dropped a new single because I guess she's tired of the double tap now, and she have a new song now that is titled Queen in the Deck. And trust me, people, the song is a whole vibe.
Let me talk about some man leave. I'm here the one wife. Yes, 5 feet me get out of me good.
And it seems as if Dewey catch the rate now and say, yo, a promo time, I have to go jumping back with my wife because it's now the season for us to kind of function like the Carters, and so I love that for them.
I own the blog of them that post a song.
The blog of them like negativity. Me not say one of them post one of my piece of my clip and say, go to Queenie. But it's alright. We don't just like hear the bad part about Queenie when we do a great nice Queen song like that. None of the...
Oh! Alright, Marita, so I would love to hear how much out of 10 are you rating the song Queen in the Deck? Do you like the vibe? And also, are you here for this reuniting with her husband, Dewey? Sound off below. Number 6, Spice collabs. Me go down there. Okay, Marita, so dancehall queen Spice recently dropped 2 music videos, 2 collaborations, and I'm asking you which song is more your vibe, which song is more your flavor. So the first song is this for the single with Carly Rae, Work. Check it out.
Pretty little, the fatty black and it's so pretty like it when him lick my this up my neck and give me icky. No, me not.
Okay, so we're getting one like an island vibe, one like an island flavor with the song there. That is number 1, okay? And now the second song is a collaboration with Stefflon Don, and it is titled clockwork.
Yeah, boy, love it when me catch you on the side. Girl, I try for the work, but she never qualify. All the pasta see this and I try for back.
So we've heard both songs, right? We hear the two songs, then we hear work and we hear clockwork. And I'd love for you to tell me which song is your vibe. Which song are you selecting? You can only choose one. Is it work or is it clockwork? Sound off in the comments right now, Burritos. Number 5, Mackerel update. Muwoyoy. Okay, Burritos, so social media personality Mackerel recently dropped a video on her YouTube channel to update her audience, to update her fan base on what is going on with her pregnancy. So I know last year one of the images with Mackerel, you know, showing off her pregnant belly, and she was talking about, you know, just being excited and all of that. But it seems as if, you know, some sad news came in the midst, and just listen.
So anyways, we'll go to the ultrasound now. You know the people in the ultrasound can see the heartbeat and hear the heartbeat. The man they are not talk. So we start ask question. Him say, I have a fetal demise. Her name was Tabian. Yeah, our father got the name there. And I never know if I said to me, I can try again, not know the home or whatever. It's like I never take it good. I never know. But now I kinda get over it because people say life goes on. I never get a counseling, people never get no. This is just tell me hard. I'm a baby father support me. So for everybody who asks, the baby passed away and only can leave a comment.
Oh wow, oh yeah, yeah, that is definitely unfortunate, devastating, but I really have to commend Mackerel for the courage that it would have taken to really share this with the public. I'm sure a whole lot of people have been asking her, wagwan, or they've not seen a picture and all kind of stuff, so that took a lot of guts, and so I really have to just commend Mackerel on sharing her story. So Burritos, just give Mackerel a word of encouragement because I know that she's still going with it and she's going to need all of the strength in this moment. Number 4, pudding debate. Megongo, jeez, okay, so I saw this picture that was posted where somebody posted this, and trust me people, brace feet, you know, it says the most overrated under-flavored pudding in Jamaica. Look at this picture now. I'm gonna ask, who know this spot? I think this spot is what, right? Somewhere in a Ochi, Sentan roundabout part. I don't really know Jamaica that well and I'm ready, you know, but yeah. No, I never know say so much people never love them pudding because a lot of persons were in the comments and saying say it is really overrated to be true and that it don't have the tartar flavor. And I am just like, you know, I the same feeling me did have, but true, me just did feel compelled to support the business. Me just enjoy it same way. And so, let me just read some of the comments then. I've heard so much about this place and finally got to try it last week. I honestly don't understand what the hype was about. The pudding I had wasn't even particularly tasty. I've definitely had better. Not worth the hype. Brother, you take the words out of my mouth. I would not have used overrated though. That means it have good qualities. The whole of it tastes bad and bitter and the little man have no manners on top of it. Oh wow, no, here's what I'm going to say, because I did see some comments and said that the father, the person who used to operate the establishment, he was the one who would normally like test for flavor and was very instrumental in the making of the pudding. And so since he took ill, it's like the quality control something off with it, so them now maintain the same standard. Because I remember several years ago I went and I feel as if the pudding used to slap differently. There's something about the pudding, there's a particular oomph. Where the pudding now put it in no more. There's a certain, you know, that little je ne sais quoi there. There's a little something, a little come see, come saw that normally in the pudding where it now Will Smith no more. We now get the slap there, you get me? So it just, something just off. So, I don't know if them can revamp and come back to the creative process for really, you know, build back the PR around this pudding, because I felt like this was Jamaica's pudding, but we can't call it Jamaica's pudding again, because, yeah man, them are mistaken. So, pick it up back and get a PR out there again, okay? But Burritos, have you ever tried their pudding, and do you agree with this Twitter comment? Sound off below. Number 3, crazy small plane. My word, my sentence. Okay, burritos. So I saw this video on Instagram and it had Jada Kingdom and Chanel Muir traveling, and this is the plane that they had sent for them. Take a look.
And them play them sent for the artists them. Wickedness, such a the mighty boy named Mystique, you need name Mosquito. Then a little bit.
No man. Me not love this for Jada Kingdom and me don't love this for Chanel Muir. Honestly, if me did for go travel and that plane, that like a aircraft that them send me not go pan it, you know. I read too much stories, me so much things going on in the news. Trust me, that one day would have forgot miss me.
Aloha. Twinkle.
Why am I not going there? I'm not going there.
You're afraid? You're afraid?
You're crazy?
No, I'm going to stuck as I've been saying. Look on the plane now. Oh, this no fear. What you say? We safe? We safe?
Burritos, would you have boarded this plane? Sound off in the comments. Number 2, Valdo Foreigner, my cameraman. Alright, Burritos. So Voldemort, he's a social media comedian. He has been on a roll recently because has just been capturing the inner thoughts of, I guess, most Jamaicans. So take a look at this video that he did with, capturing the process of how Jamaicans normally step to a foreigner, or the inner thoughts.
God, he's a man not begging nothing but me a beg that one. Eh? Look at me, Western Union every week. Look at me at MoneyGram every week. Look at my ticket. Eh? God, no you make them, but God no. I wonder if you see me and say, no dove cut to the dolly body. Eh? Jesus Christ, man, look like you look good. Tam tam tanam, tam tam tanam, tam tam tanam. Jesus. God, me I beg you that one you too. What hype me hype on my friend them? Eh? Me just want to reach over there. God, answer me prayer. Do.
Alright, Burritos, so let me know, have you ever been in a position like this with the man them out there? Have you ever tried your luck with a foreigner, and how many of these thoughts circulated through your mind? And to the Burritos, them come and know enough in the diaspora, when you come to Jamaica and visit, when you buck up the man them where I try for get enough of, bring them up. Sound off in the comments.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run come, sing along. Well then, big up my friend.
Alright, so let's get into the big up segment. I have to go and big up all the Jamaican athletes who won their respective events at the NWAC event held in Bahamas. Congratulations to Sharika Jackson, Christopher Taylor, and the many others. Also, I have to go and big up Sean Paul, Mr. Dutty, on being a battle advisor on Team Gwen for the new season of The Voice. Also, I'm going to big up in the social media divas, them PTR, on their back to school treat that was held recently. Also, I have to go and big up Mr. Marketing Guy himself, Joel Numdarcom, on the recently held Amplified Mentorship that was done at the Red Stripe headquarters. And trust me, people, it was a whole entire vibe. And I met so many other social media marketing creatives there.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's a girl Shensia, and you're watching Duttyberry Social Media Countdown. Keep it locked.
And number 1 goes to Win Wiper Update. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Wind Wiper Update. Why did I give it that title? It just sounds super crazy. But we are going to press along because we are saints. Okay, so number 1 goes to this windscreen wiper that is very popular. I think he's probably like the number 1 windscreen wiper that we have in the island. I don't remember his name, if he didn't go by the name of Zaza, but this brother right here. So he's been making waves on social media because there has been images of him circulating online with him no longer at the stoplight. He is no longer wiping car glass. Like, he's no longer about that life. We have been seeing him living life in America, just, you know, prancing with, you know, a Caucasian woman. Take a look.
Boss, millionaire. My boss, the fastest car. My boss is the fastest car in the country. Big up my God. Big up my God. And Denny's. That is it. Too easy, man. Up top.
If you ever drive anywhere in a Kingston, especially upon right at the stoplight at not Hope Road, right at the stoplight at Devon House, or at a stoplight near Limelight in a half a tree, you have seen this guy. And trust me, people, he is going to, I don't know, he's going to give you some joke, he's going to appeal to some emotion. He's going to find a way to make you just feel compelled for just give him a thing for support him.
One thing I like about you, you always give me $1,000 every time you drive through. I respect you from the bottom of my heart. Love you.
And so now, I guess he's starting up a new talk, and that new talk is, yeah man, right there, too easy.
Life is nice, you see it, that's how we all live in Florida. It's too easy. Denny's, where's the Denny's? It's too easy.
So if somebody asks if you can cook, what are you going to tell them?
It's too easy.
Ladies, can you knead dumplings with your long fingernails?
It's too easy.
Burritos, wanna know how to stir fry?
It's too easy.
And to the people that are watching this right now, will you like, comment, share, and subscribe?
It's too easy.
If your employer asks you, can you work on weekends?
Well. Next question. See ya.
Well, that is it to the burritos. Let me know what you think of this gentleman's success, him journey so far. Are you familiar with him? Share a story down below. Well, we've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below. Do not forget to turn on your post notifications and to subscribe as well. Subscribe and share the video with your friends. If you want to follow me on social media, please just hit me up right here on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, then you send me an email to bookings.TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com right here. So send me the email right now. Okay, anyway, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.